Hello everyone, welcome back to another video brought to you by Dana's Electrical Services. I must first apologize for the portrait view of this video. I didn't video in landscape because I didn't intend to upload this video, but here we are uploading this one. So here we have a Zosi 1080p H.265 plus home security camera system. This system is a 5 megapixel Lite, and it comes with the 8 channel surveillance DVR. It initially comes with 4 1080p weatherproof CCTV Dome cameras, and this one is outdoor indoor. It has a night vision of 80 feet, and it also has motion alert. This system was installed inside of a doctor's office, and as you can see, we didn't use any trunking, but it was neatly run on the surface of the wall. Here I'm demonstrating what else is needed to be done on this system, because we actually did this system in 2 days, but it could have been done in 1 day, because on the first day we did like less than 5 hours, and on another day we did less than 4 hours. Alright, so this system is a cheap system, but it looks very good for the price. And as you can see how this one turned out, there we have our monitor right above the computer, and this one turns out wonderful. There we go. So this was another video brought to you by Dana's Electrical Services. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and for more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, Dana's Electrical Services. Thank you.